Nevada, we have a championship bout between two devout heavyweights. Our first boxer tonight, coming out now, here he comes, weighing 202 from Atlantic City, Atlanta, Georgia. 135 fights, 29 by knockouts, 4 losses. Ladies and gentlemen, Baby Boy Burkhardt. From Las Vegas, Nevada, we have a boxer. Where's he at? He should be here. Here he is, weighing in at 202. 20 fights, 19 by knockout. They call him the unanimous puncher, Mikey Bobblehead Richards. Okay, fighters, come together here. Okay, no hitting below the belt. You know the rules. You've had enough fights. No hitting below the belt. Break when I tell you to break. When the bell rings, go to your neutral corner. This is not a game. Go to your neutral corner, please. When the bell rings, come on out. Ding!
Announce it. Announce it, Rock.
Hey, what? That's so hard. Again, I'm the referee, man.
Both these fighters are hell of fighters. Mike Richardson with a little more experience. Mike Burkhardt, the challenger. A lot of energy here. Ooh. Burkhardt's taking it lightly, laughing at Mike's punches. Look at the confidence on his face.
Come on, you're on.
Out of the ring. Round two.
Baby Boy looks bad today. Oh, look at left jab by Michael. What do we do? Michael Baba. Michael Baba, right, left. Mike Burkhardt. Too bad these people have the same name. It's hard to announce the fight. We got left. Oh, he missed. He's just missing fight. It looks like I don't know. So far, it looks like a mismatch. I don't know if he can take the champ. I don't know if. Look. Whoa! What a beautiful! Oh my goodness! What a punch! What a jab! What a left! Oh, looking good, jabbing. Well, I'll tell you, this Burkhardt, Baby Boy Burkhardt is doing great on the blocking those. Heavyweight boxing.
Let's see some action now. Come on, you guys.
Beautiful, beautiful.
Get him, Burkhardt. Come on.
Michael Bobble coming back. Burkhardt coming in with some beautiful punches. Move back over here. Break. Back to the neutral corner. Back to the neutral corner over here. Back over here.
And Mike Richardson went after the referee, Rocky Balboa.
Put your gloves together over here. Put your gloves together. Come on. Okay.
Mike Richardson is going crazy at this time. He's ready to fight. Burkhardt is running away. Burkhardt's he's a little dazed.
Get in there. Come on.
Burkhardt's dazed. Oh.
Get him. Chop him up.
Oh.
Chop him up, Mike. Chop him up, Mike.
Come on, Burkhardt, get in there. Jab, right, left. Come on, let's go.
Come on, let's see some action here.
Get him, Burkhardt. Let's go. You're on TV, man. You're on TV. You're going to watch yourself. Everybody's going to watch you, man. The World Championship of Boxing. Announcing a man from Brooklyn, New York, Rocky Richardson, with 28 wins, 3 losses, and 2 draws. This man is supposed to be the fastest man on earth. He's called the Eastern Assassin. Announcing the second man. Mike Richardson, with 34 knockouts, 34 fights, and the champion of the world. Look at that face, ladies and gentlemen. Look at the confidence.
All right.
Okay,
Rocky.
round one.
Rocky.
Round one. Ding! And these these fighters here are both very upset because they've been constipated for 3 weeks now.
What bugs me is though my shoulders are not wide enough, he could be about 2 inches taller.
Oh, we got a good hit there now. These men are going out for blood.
Inch and a half.
These men hate each other. It's unbelievable.
Not so hard, you guys.
These men are really out for the knockout. It's on TV, being televised by White World of Sports. My name's Frank DeMarlo, ladies and gentlemen. Come on, let's go, Rock. Let's go, Mike. What a good fight here we got. Oh,
I want to
there's a
box
left.
again.
A left by Rocky Richardson. Another left. The aggressor, Rocky Richardson.
Run up on him when he turns, Mike, and hit him.
Oh, Mike Richardson. The aggressor.
Give him a chance, Mike. Don't hit him when he turns. Let him come back up and break even.
Both these fighters look like they're in good shape.
Being fair to each other.
Oh,
Punch, Rock. Jab, Rocky.
looks like Rocky from Brooklyn, New York.
Right hand,
He's
Rocky.
a little nervous. Oh, hey. I thought he was. This
Punch
man
him down,
is turning
Mike.
out to be
Punch him
a
down,
champion.
Mike.
He's turning out to be a champion. Round 2. Oh. Here's another. And a right. It's a right lead by Rocky Richardson. Oh.
Round 3.
Oh, boy.
Wow.
A right hook that almost done away with the challenger.
Not too hard, Rocky,
My
Mike.
legs are already
Break
tired.
even. Good fight here.
These men are in excellent shape.
We got to start training, you guys.
These men are in excellent shape. Rocky missing with a right hook.
Okay, Mike.
Mike Richardson on the defensive. Rocky Richardson, the challenger and the aggressor.
Easy, Mike.
Oh. Now, Mike Richardson, the aggressor.
Break easy, Mike. Now, come back and break even.
Mike Richardson, the aggressor.
Title of the world heavyweight division. We have a championship bout. Coming in the challenger, Michael Lee Burkhardt, weighing in at 295, the heaviest I've ever seen him, with 35 fights, 29 knockouts, and 4 losses. Michael Baby Boy Burkhardt. And the champion. Where is the champion? Here he is, ladies and gentlemen, Franco Bobo, weighing in at 202 with 39 fights, 38 by knockout, and 1, the man just chickened out. Ladies and gentlemen, what about? And this man is in shape. May the bout begin.
You gotta move out more, you guys. Out over here. Further. Out further. Further out, you guys. Hey, you're not getting on the TV, man.
Oh, get out that way more.
Way out. What about we have today? The champion looking better than ever. The challenger, I don't understand what in the world. They're getting close over here again, messing up. Too close, you guys gotta move out.